हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Heard, learned counsel for the appellant on point of admission of this second appeal and perused the records full stop para. Original suit number 26/2010 was filed for cancellation of sale deed executed by defendant number 2 in favor of defendant number 3 and for the relief of permanent injunction against the defendants for the property involved in the aforesaid sale deed full stop. Para. The plaint case in brief was that plaintiff had purchased disputed property in Benami transaction in the name of his brother defendant number 2 on 15/7/1981, but consideration total paid at the time of purchase of said property was by plaintiff full stop. Therefore, plaintiff is owner of disputed property, comma, and the defendant had no right to execute the sale deed of the same, full stop. But the defendant number 2 had executed sale deed in favor to defendant number 3, so the plaintiff has sought relief cancellation of said sale deed dated 4/10/2002 and for permanent injunction, full stop. Para. In original suit, after the defendants had filed written statement, issues were framed, full stop. Then plaintiff's side adduced evidences, but no evidence was given by the defendants, full stop. After affording opportunity of hearing, comma, the trial court civil judge senior division Hamirpur dismissed the suit by its judgment dated 16/5/2012, full stop. Para. The defendants had not preferred first appeal in time within the period of limitation, full stop. They had filed memorandum of appeal on 3/8/2012 along with an application under section 5 of Limitation Act and requested for condoning the delay in filing the memo of appeal, full stop. The grounds mentioned taken in application for condonation of delay before the first appellate court was that after completion of arguments in original suit on 10/5/2012, the plaintiff had gone home because he was promised by clerk of his counsel that information of order and judgment would be sent to him. But when no information was sent, then he came on 11/7/2012 in Hamirpur and inquired into the matter and came to know about the judgment, full stop. Then he had filed memorandum of appeal along with delay condonation application 3/8/2012, full stop. So the delay in filing the appeal should be condoned, full stop. Another ground was also taken in enclosed affidavit that since the defendants had not adduced evidence during the trial, comma, therefore, comma, the appeal should be admitted, full stop. Para. After hearing the parties on disposal of delay condonation application in bracket CA miscellaneous case number 36/2012, the additional district judge SC/ST Act Hamirpur had dismissed the said application under section 5 of Limitation Act with the finding that reasons given and grounds taken for delay condonation application was not sufficient, full stop. Against this impugned order dated 30/9/2012 of rejection of application under section 5 of Limitation Act and consigning the records passed by the first appellate court, comma, present second appeal has been preferred by plaintiff of the original suit, full stop. Para. Main arguments of the learned counsel for the appellant were on merits of the original case and grounds mentioned in memo of appeal, full stop. He contended that since the disputed property was purchased by the plaintiff from his own money, then plaintiff appellant is owner of said property and defendants respondents have no right to execute the sale deed of the same, full stop. Therefore, the plaintiff appellant's claim should have been accepted by the trial court, full stop. He also contended that grounds mentioned in delay condonation application should be treated to be sufficient and appeal should be admitted for being allowed, full stop. Para. Sections 2, 3 and 4 of the Benami Transactions Act 1988 reads as under, full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है डिक्टेशन आपका, लगभग क्या कहते हैं 110 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन है ये, ठीक है। इसको डिक्टेशन लेके बताइएगा कैसा लगा डिक्टेशन, ठीक है। इसमें कुछ नाम वगैरह आए हुए हैं और बेनामी अगर बनाना हो तो BN का पूरा स्ट्रोक और M का पूरा स्ट्रोक बनेगा, ठीक है। और इसमें कोई नाम वगैरह कुछ ज़्यादा आए नहीं हैं और जो नाम आए हैं वो आप लोग तो बना ही लोगे, ठीक है। तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। हमीरपुर है ना, हमीरपुर के लिए H का टिक लगाइए, M लगाइए, ठीक है। और PR जोड़ दीजिए तो इससे हमपुर से हमीरपुर पढ़ लीजिएगा। और ना समझ में आए तो H की डबलिंग कर दीजिए और PR का हुक P में R का हुक लगा दीजिएगा, हैमरपुर हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो उससे समझ लीजिएगा हमीरपुर। ना समझ में आए तो फिर एक और आउटलाइन है, H का टिक, M डाउनवर्ड R और फिर PR, ठीक। ये हो गया। और कोई आउटलाइन मतलब नाम वगैरह तो इसमें नहीं है। तो चलिए लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करते चलिएगा और बताइएगा कमेंट करके कि डिक्टेशंस कैसी लग रही हैं, कंटिन्यू करने में मदद मिलेगी। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।